become a model? Look at her. This is the main problem. When I was in Bombay, they called me Chinese. See, she's so short. How can she become a model? Professional model as well as a dancer. I want to maintain both.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cut News, and today I have a special guest with me, and she recently won the title Miss Glamour contest, and I have a privilege to have her here on this very occasion. So Miss Bonari, welcome to Cut News.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me.
Okay, so my first question to you is very simple. How do you describe yourself after winning Miss Glamour contest?
I have been working on this since I was in class 10th maybe.
Okay.
So I became a bit stronger, confident, being able to express my feelings.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Alright, so tell me about your profession. What you like to do, and since you are doing or you are competing in different beauty pageant, right? So is this your profession? Is this your really profession, or you have other things you like?
Actually, it's like yes, no, because I've been dancing since I was a kid.
Alright.
So now it's like it's going in the same path. So yes, no.
Okay. And tell me about what do you think about the differences between the beauty pageant and the modeling? Do you think there is a difference between modeling and beauty pageant as per your view?
Yeah, because there are many beauty pageants going around in our place.
Right, in
like
place.
So people say that they are doing modeling, but beauty pageant and modeling is different. Because in beauty pageant we represent ourselves, our talent, we showcase our talent. But doing modeling is like working with a professional. We represent ourselves, but in a different kind of way. Okay. So it's a bit different for me.
So you mean to say that there is a difference between modeling and beauty pageant, And is there any difference between such? I have been experiencing many beauty pageant here in a place, and such a beauty pageant like Miss Glamour that you represented in the show or in the event. So is there any difference between Miss Glamour and such like Miss Karbi Anglong and so many things? Yeah,
to be honest, Miss Glamour changed the view of Karbi Anglong.
Okay.
Because they brought their own designer. You can see the crown in my head, it's really different. Okay. Because Miss Karbi Anglong, they are representing Karbi Anglong, but they did not give much importance in the show. They bought their own costume designers and all. We have worked with professionals, so it's a bit different.
Okay. Okay, so tell me about your childhood as well as your family. Do your family is very supportive with you or not?
Yeah, since I was a kid I was in a boarding school. I was studying in Naga Christ Jyoti. My parents have been really supportive. They support me in each and every kind of work I do. Okay. Whether it's dancing, playing, painting, modeling, they support me in everything. Even though I do acting, they support me in acting. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so tell me one thing, since you have been doing in such a beauty profession, right? So do you have any suggestion for the younger generations who have been looking to go into such profession? Do you have any advices to them if they want to achieve something in their life? See, when we win something, people should talk at our back. So I want to tell those, if you did not be able to go in the place or you did not get the chance to win it, do not talk bad about someone, because when they are succeeding, they have faced failure too. In their failure, they have faced many problems. So I want to tell that let them win, you support them.
Okay. In your view, what is the meaning of glam in your view? Since many people
glamour means maintaining yourself, being friendly with people, trying to encourage the people who are not being able to show up.
All right. Okay. So, and do you like anything other than the beauty pageant?
Yeah, dancing.
Dancing, and other than
painting.
You have did you ever have you ever participated in any dance competition or any dance contest?
I have been working with professionals in Bombay.
Okay, alright. So you went all the way to Mumbai to this such thing.
I have performed in front of Terence Lewis, Shakti Mohan.
Okay.
Been working with Mokshoda, Raghav Jayal, and many other celebrities. I have been doing work with them.
Okay, what kind of dance you like?
I do all the kind of dance style.
You do all the kind of dances?
Yeah, I don't have any favorite dance style. I think to be a versatile dancer, you need to know everything.
Right. Okay, so just tell me about one thing that I used to ask many people in my show, and I have been inviting many people in my show, and this is the questions that I used to ask them also. Since this is a place that we are living here, and what are the things that you don't like staying here? I mean, what is the other things that you don't like happening in this society, and you want the things to be changed?
Okay, I have been facing this problem by myself.
Okay.
I was sick for 1 year. It's like black magic.
All right.
This is the main point. I just hate this thing, but it's happening with me.
Okay.
Since 1 year I was hospitalized, and then society pressure.
Okay.
Selecting your career, not being able to do what you want. Freedom to speech.
All right.
You don't have the freedom to do whatever you like. That's it.
Is there any role model of you? Do you have any role model that you really inspired by him or her?
Actually, it's not a model. It's my mother.
Okay.
She have done many things for us. She have faced a lot of problem, but she helped us to get all the good facility what they did not get in their time. My parents have been working so hard to make me comfortable in what I am. So they are my role model.
So you are stating that your parents and your mom is your role model, right? Okay. So how many members in your family?
Me, my mom, dad, and my sister, my elder sister.
Your elder sister. Do you have any brother?
No, but I have my cousin brother. They are really supportive.
Okay.
If you want them, they'll come anytime.
Okay. So you said since you told me even yesterday also you stay at Dangaon, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So from how many years you have been staying there? Yes. How many years you have been staying there? Since
I have come to Dangaon lately, but I used to stay in hostel, but my parents are staying there since they were young.
Okay.
But I'm not in Karbi Anglong that time.
Where you are pursuing your education then?
Actually, I was studying in Nagaon, then I came back due to my sickness, then I wrote my exam from Nirmal Niketan, and then I went back to Bombay, and then came back.
Okay.
And there I went to Lord's College, but it was not that good for me, so I came back and studied in Assam.
Okay.
I'm studying in Alpha Beta Junior College.
All right. Okay. So it is very interesting, ladies and gentlemen, to let you know that one of a lady who is alongside me is active in every activities, not only the beauty vision activities, not only in the dance, but also in different activities. So it's such a great to have her here on this very vision. So my next question to you is, since we have already crossed 10 minutes, but it is very interesting to have a conversations with you right now. Okay, so do you since you said that you study apart from Karbi Anglong, right? So do you face any caste discriminations dwelling there, or experiencing facing or communicating with the other people there?
When I was in Bombay, they called me Chinese.
Okay.
But it's okay. But I like one thing, that when I was new there were no one.
Okay.
Only me and my mom, and I met an auntie. Her daughter was dancing with me. She took me to her home. She kept me for 1 day. She fed me. I was sleeping with her. So there was not like that way. There are some people who think different, but there are some people who understand us. So I want to thank Rashi's mother. If you're watching this, thank you, auntie, for taking care of me when my mom was not with me.
Okay. So just tell me that why you are participated and why you want to participate in the coming days in such profession.
I like modeling.
Okay.
I want to become a professional model as well as a dancer. I want to maintain both. And I was watching American Got Talent. Then I saw there a little girl, I forgot her name. But I saw her, she was maybe 4 or 5 years old. She got such a great talent. I was inspired by her. She know to play piano, violin, dancing, painting. So I was inspired by her. So I decided to do like as much as activity I can, I'm taking it. Even though it's acting, I love doing acting. So I'm managing myself.
Okay, so what is the thing that is most difficult to do while doing in such activities, or while you are doing in such profession? What are the difficulties you face, and what do you think these are the most difficult thing that you face in such profession?
A lot.
Okay.
A lot of problem. One is economy.
Okay.
And then people from some places speak shit about us.
Okay.
And then we are not being able.
They speak shit about us.
Yeah, they used to speak shit about us. Like, how can she become a model? Look at her. This is the main problem. Every young girl faces this. Even it's in her home, her friend circle, school, everywhere. I have seen many of them facing this problem, but I have not faced till now. But I have seen them. They cried in front of me, and they used to say, she's so short. How can she become a model? That's the main problem I'm hearing.
And if someone tell you like this, and what will be your response?
I'll just say, look at me, where I am, where you are.
Okay. That's it. Okay. All right. Okay, so Bonali, tell me about your professions, as well as what are the things that you face when you are doing such things. And since many model as well as many beauty pageant have expressed their opinion while performing their profession, that they face difficulties, lot of difficulties, not only the criticisms they face while doing so. So what are the things, do you have any criticisms, and do you have any difficulties you face while doing so?
Yes, since we are working together, we are like a family while doing the one show. So we are friends, but there are some people who betray. If they don't get or they don't win anything, they start talking bad things about others. So support them. You should not speak shit about someone who have helped you.
Alright.
Betraying your friend is the most big sin, according to me, to be honest. So I would like to say, never talk shit about anyone who have helped you before.
Do you have any instances you face in your career?
Yeah.
Can you share me?
It's like...
No, it would be better if you share me, because I'm not one
I'll not mention the name or something. And I have a friend, I help him or her a lot, but they betray me. They started talking shit about me. I was the one who helped him when there were no one. So I want to say that, please, if you are a professional, if you want to become a professional, something like dancer, actor, anything through entertainment, so please do not betray anyone who have helped you.
This is my last question to you. Since we are running out of time, so it is I'm making this talk show just to let you know, ladies and gentlemen, that Miss Glamour contest was held last year, in fact, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, we could not hold any talk show, or we couldn't introduce you the winner of this Miss Glamour. So we are having this opportunity to have a conversation with this lady, and such a privilege to have her here. And what you want to tell, or what you want to say about Cut News Channel, since you are staying here and having an interview with you? So how do you feel?
First of all, I would like to thank you all to invite me here. Point one, nobody has any news channel in Karbi Anglong. This was the first news channel, according to me, I think so. So when I was living out of Assam, so I have to get some news about our place. My mom told me you can watch it in YouTube, because since we don't have TV there and the channel does not go till there, so I used to watch all the news about our place and all. Like, it's like developing our place. Cut News is developing our place.
Do you want to wish anything about Cut News?
Yeah. Keep going.
Okay.
Support the youngsters.
Okay, that's it. Alright, that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen, and what a wonderful moment we are having here with Miss Bornali, and on behalf of Cut News channel, we wish her a very good luck in the days to come. May she attain, or may she acquire many things that she really wanted to have in her career. So all the very best, Miss Bornali, and thank you so much for coming here to this show, and extremely apologize that we have nothing to give you at the moment, since we are the conditions we are here in Cut News channel is very poor, so extremely apologize for that. Hopefully you will excuse me for this. Okay, so hopefully you like this show, and for lots more and lots of videos and lots of news and different activities, keep watching Cut News. And for the moment, thank you so much.